We've got James Paquet here, who's just finished his first investment with Infinite Wealth. So tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth. What did your financial future look like?
Financial future was just really average. Just working away, and all I did was saving, and I didn't know really what to do with myself. So
Yeah, cool. And what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
a lot's changed. I've actually got my first investment property now with Tim and Infinite Wealth, and yeah, they've helped me out so much, and it's just been such a smooth process.
Yeah, fantastic. And what's your experience been with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
Experience has been really well. Like I said, yeah, definitely been really smooth. Actually, yeah, got my first property, which is, yeah, can't imagine.
Yeah, awesome. And at 21, that's a fantastic achievement.
Yeah, thank you.
And how does your financial future look now?
A lot better than it did before, that's for sure. So I'm taking the next step, hopefully getting my second investment property soon.
Yep.
Infinite Wealth, so yeah.
Cool. And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Yes, definitely, because like I said, such a smooth process, so much helpful, and yeah, they've done really well for me. So
Awesome. Well, congratulations, James.
cool, thank you.
Thanks.